Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Erin Krakow teases Lori Loughlin. Return. Lori and her husband both did jail time. Now, there is hope of her return to When Calls the Heart. She said, "I love Lori and would be so happy to see her back in Hope Valley sooner than later. She's obviously always in my heart, so that would bring me a lot of joy."
Make your mark, take our lead.
Personal life. Regarding her personal life, Erin Krakow has no husband yet. However, it is rumored that she is in a relationship with actor Daniel Lissing, who portrays her boyfriend in When Calls the Heart.
Make your mark, take our lead.
After extending its hiatus to evaluate all creative options regarding Loughlin's character, When Calls the Heart returned in May 2019. During the episode, it was revealed by Elizabeth, Erin Krakow, that Abigail left the town to help her sick mom. "We are a community, we are strong, we are Hope Valley."
Make your mark, take our lead.
I had plans for Frank to be more demonstrative in the future and play it that way more this season if I had the chance. I plan to really take care of Abigail more this season and show her bolder affection. It was time for Frank to stop holding back.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.